Hey there, nature explorers. Are you ready for an adventure that will spark your kids' curiosity and love for the great outdoors? Join us today as we dive into the exciting world of scavenger hunts for kids. A scavenger hunt is a fantastic way to connect your kids with nature and nurture their sense of wonder. Just create a list of items to find, like leaves, rocks, or even critters, and let the adventure begin. As they search for each item on their list, kids will develop their observation skills and learn about the natural world around them. And don't forget to encourage teamwork. It's the perfect opportunity to make new friends and create lasting memories. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your explorer's hat and head outside for a fun-filled scavenger hunt that will nurture your child's love for nature. Every child is a superhero. Nurture yours to harness their superpowers. Download our free guide to unlock meaningful conversations with your child.